look, if you don't step out, I'm gonna have to. You're hindering government.
No, I'm not. I got the information you asking for.
By all means.
No, I got the info. No, I just had y'all tased me for nothing a week ago. I don't trust y'all. I'm not getting out the car. No, ain't no way.
All right, look.
No, I got what you looking for. No, I don't have to roll my window down. That's not against the law. No, it's not. I got you. I'm giving you what you need. Everything you need is right here. I do not have. I'm giving you everything. No, I don't.
Get out and talk to me.
I don't. I'm talking to you right here.
You don't have a tag, sir.
There go the tag information. I just bought the car. I got 21 days to get a tag.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Today's video, filmed by James Powell, takes place in Tuscaloosa County, Alabama. On August 14, 2023, James uploaded a video capturing a traffic stop conducted by Deputy Fred Hammonds from the Tuscaloosa County Sheriff's Office. James, being well informed about his rights and the law, recorded the encounter and effectively schooled this deputy. But enough from me, let's dive into the video.
Hey, look, if you don't step out, I'm gonna have to. You're hindering government.
No, I'm not. I got the information you asking for.
By all means.
No, I got the info. No, I just had y'all tased me for nothing a week ago. I don't trust y'all. I'm not getting out the car. No, ain't no way.
All right,
No,
look.
I got what you looking for. No, I don't have to roll my window down. That's not against the law. No, it's not. I got you. I'm giving you what you need. Everything you need is right here. I do not have. I'm giving you everything.
Just give me everything.
I got everything.
Give it to me. Is it in your name?
Yeah, is it this car in my girlfriend's name? Everything here.
Your name.
It don't have to be in my name to drive a car. I know my rights.
Let me see everything. You don't get it. You're hindering government operation.
No, I ain't. I gave you everything you asked for. The insurance and the car. And I got somebody here and everything that's going on.
Fine. I mean,
I don't trust y'all. I don't trust y'all. I do not trust y'all. I gave you everything that's to their car.
it doesn't matter.
It do matter.
No, it don't.
I don't have to get out my car. I know my rights.
In Alabama, like in every state, police officers cannot pull you over without a valid reason. However, if you're unaware of your rights, you might find yourself in a difficult situation. The U.S. Court of Appeals for the 11th Circuit, which covers Alabama, has recognized the First Amendment right to record matters of public interest, including the conduct of police in public spaces. Additionally, you have a constitutional right under the Fifth Amendment to refuse to answer questions from law enforcement officers.
No, I don't.
Get out and talk to me.
I don't. I'm talking to you right here.
You don't have a tag, sir.
There go the tag information. I just bought the car. I got 21 days to get a tag.
No, you got 10.
I got 21 days.
You got 10 business days.
And that equals 21 days. So do it say 10 days on there?
Who's the owner of the car?
The name on the paperwork you got.
Do you have her number so I can call?
She stay up here. You see the address?
I said you
I don't have a number.
don't have her.
Nope. I don't have to have a number to drive a car.
Drive up to her address because
While it's generally advised to remain calm during stops, you are not obligated to answer questions that could potentially incriminate you or cause other problems. The situation becomes more complex when considering your Fourth Amendment right to be protected from unreasonable searches and seizures. In the case of Pennsylvania v. Mims, the U.S. Supreme Court ruled that a police officer can order someone out of their vehicle and conduct a pat-down to check for weapons after a traffic stop without violating the Fourth Amendment. Similarly, in Maryland v. Wilson, the Supreme Court held that a police officer can order a passenger of a lawfully stopped car to exit the vehicle. However, if the officer fails to provide a valid reason, you can politely refuse to comply. It's important to note that if the officer does have a valid reason or threatens with arrest, it's advisable to follow their instructions. Ultimately, there needs to be probable cause, or at least reasonable suspicion, that the driver committed a traffic infraction, which has yet to be confirmed by Deputy Hammonds.
it says Alexander Wynn.
No, you can't read it. It says Alexia Win.
Alexia Wynn. Okay. At 20th Street Northeast.
That's my address. Look at the license.
Everything's saying 20th Street Northeast.
That's my address. Look at my license.
I don't need to look. Right.
Well, you just trying to be smart, but
Sir, I'm not trying to be.
yes, you got all the information you need, insurance and everything.
No,
I don't have to have. You don't have to talk to her for me to drive this car.
I gotta make sure that.
No, if it's stolen, it'll be in your computer.
No, not
This a,
necessarily.
yeah, well, that ain't my problem. Can I get all my paperwork back?
Not yet, sir. I'm not finished with the stop. I'm sorry.
Y'all harassing me. I need your number, your car number, and everything.
My name is Deputy Hammonds.
Okay, can you write it down? I ain't gonna remember. My memory bad. Okay.
Okay, you're videoing it.
Why do you need her to
Because you don't have a tag on.
there go the information right there. And it's my address. That's my girlfriend.
Okay.
It don't have to match.
It does.
No, it don't.
These are little clues that would go off of.
No, the car, you know the car ain't stolen. Come on, come on with it.
This situation can be described as harassment, plain and simple. There is no law stating that vehicle information must match your license when operating a vehicle, nor is it against the law to drive another person's vehicle. It's evident that this deputy has an ego problem and is unwilling to admit his mistake. Even when you comply and provide the requested information, some officers will still attempt to make your life difficult. Just listen to what this deputy said. It's truly baffling. He insists on verifying that the car isn't stolen, despite being informed otherwise. Furthermore, his response regarding the reporting of a stolen vehicle is nonsensical. This traffic stop was clearly motivated by ulterior motives, possibly due to the deputy's lack of better things to do.
Hold on just a second.
Hey, Gavin, let me call my lawyer right quick.
Hi.
All right, Mr. Powell, listen to me. I'm going to explain this to you, okay? Here's the thing. I am going to let you go. The car's not in your name. You're not on the paperwork. The address might be the same, but it's one of those right there. Do you understand why I'm asking you this?
Belonging to.
Yeah, I got you.
Okay. You have a good day.
You too.
And just like that, Deputy Hammonds miraculously gave James a warning. Let me summarize. James was pulled over unlawfully and without any valid reason. He was instructed to exit his car without justification and falsely accused of stealing the vehicle, even after providing the necessary information. He was then berated for being difficult, despite helping the deputy read the matching addresses on the registration and license. If this isn't substantial evidence to prove that Deputy Fred Hammonds of the Tuscaloosa Police Department is an abusive authority figure, I don't know what is. It's crucial to call out and address this predatory behavior whenever it occurs. With that said, a huge shout out to James Powell for capturing this shocking video. Make sure to visit his channel, subscribe. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for watching.